Hey guys, it's Stampy Long One here, back with another video. In this video, we are going to be playing some build battle on the Hive server. This is a new game, just came out. Figured out about it like 2 days ago. So, you get a topic. Ooh, Game Boy. Oh man, I don't know anything about Game Boy, so, oh well, I'll just build an Xbox controller. Actually, here, I'm just gonna go to a different round of this, because I do not know anything about Game Boy. Sorry about that. Oh man. Let's go back into a new game of it. I wonder what the topic's gonna be. So, you get 5 minutes to build what the topic says. And then you have to vote on each other's builds. Okay, we gotta build a shovel. This is more easy. Okay, let's see. I'm just gonna take out a shovel so I can model. Some black wool and some brown wool. Where's black? Black. There we go. Stop my whiskers. Sorry, that's my pet rat. Yeah, get out of the way. Stop it. It's annoying me. Okay, so now gotta get some Yo! Okay, we still got like 4 minutes left. Well, that's good. So, we can start building. So, we need to go 1, 2, 3. Then we gotta go up 2, and then like that, and then like that. Just 1, 2. Just go up like 1, 2. There'll be 1 more, 2 more, 3 more, 4 more. Let's just do that. That's wait. I like the music in the background. It's quite fun. Oh man. Stop it! There we go. Okay, I'm gonna go right here, and then 1, 2. I'm gonna go, and then 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Now I just gotta fill that in with white and then we're done. Oh man. Oh, I think that's this is a 2-minute timer. That's a 2-minute timer. Okay, if you hardly click. Now we gotta get some wool. White wool. PC. For some reason it's just called wool. I think it's just because it's like regular wool. Just gotta fill it in. This looks horrible. Oh well, maybe I'll get some moves. Let's go. We got an iron shovel. Great. Could make like particles, but no. that what I need to? What the? Oh. Okay. So, just gotta wait 1 minute, and then we'll be done. Built a row, like different tools. Man, I'm proud of this. I'm very proud of this. 6, 5, no, 4, 3, 2, 1. Voting. Prepare to start voting. Okay. This is okay. They put. Don't judge me. Yeah. Let's go with the vote. QQ is Bay. Nah, they made theirs wobbly. Oh man, that's epic. Wow. Yeah. Okay. This is okay. Someone put legendary. Oh my god. I wouldn't say that's legendary. No, oh man. That thing is legendary. That is so legendary. What? Crazy. Okay, and then that's good. There's 9! Woo! In all its glory. Oh, someone gave me a legendary. What? Man. None. Oh, that's cool. My score was 46. I guess this one came first. Good job. Alright, let's go for another round of this, and then, yeah, that's that. Yeah. So let's see. Build a battle. Build a battle. Okay, we know what the topic's gonna be. What do we have to build? It is a rocket. Okay. I can try and build it. Okay. Let's go like that. There we go. Put it down in the comments below. What do you think? I want to see it. Nope. And get the sign out again. Actually, nah. So there's my ship in all its glory. I mean, my rocket in all its glory. It's great. It's the greatest creation ever. 30 seconds remaining. Man, I should put that. Put the whoa, that is awesome. Whoa, yeah, it's good. It's okay. Oh, they kind of make like the inside. That's awesome. It's mine! Just gonna, because you can't vote for your own. I'm just gonna hold it out. Whoa, someone's giving me legendary. That's awesome. Pudge party. They didn't even stay on topic. Wow. See, that's what I wanted to do. I wanted that. I so wanted that. Like, that's awesome. Awesome. Got some nice windows. Aloha. Oh, that's awesome. That's good. I wonder how many times I said that's. Put that in the comments below. You didn't even build a rocket. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Woo! 7! Good job. Oh yeah, Brayden. Oh, sorry. I have chat disabled. Well, that's about it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and goodbye. Oh.